Good morning and welcome back to NYSE TV Live, everyone. You're taking a live look at the trading floor. I'm Kristen Scholler as we await this opening trade, and I'm honored to be joined by my next two guests as we talk about the investing landscape heading in to the opening bell. I'm joined here by March Capital partner Solomon Hailu and Overjet, a portfolio company of March Capital's head of talent, Besik Mikhelashvili. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining. It's great to have you. Solomon, we'll start with you. You're closest to me. Tech earnings are so in focus this week for these mega cap companies that trade on the public exchanges. As a VC, what are you interested in the technology space right now?
So we've seen hundreds of billions of dollars being invested in AI infrastructure. What we're excited about is seeing how that evolves into the application layer. At March Capital, we invest in companies that are driving the innovation economy. So these applications will be in cybersecurity, cloud and data infrastructure, and overall AI applications.
I want to bring you in as well, Besik. I'm sure your company, Overjet, we want to learn a little bit more about it and how it is tapping into some of these technologies to really change the game.
Absolutely. So Overjet's the global leader in dental AI, and we pioneered the space. What we've done is we've woven intelligence into this really powerful AI-powered platform that dentists and dental insurers love because it helps them provide better, more precise, more consistent, and faster care for patients. Very exciting.
Solomon, I want to turn back to you. So much of what we cover here, in addition this week, of course, to technology results, is the Federal Reserve, right? The overall health of the U.S. economy, the global economy, and at least here in the U.S., of course, what it means for interest rates. How is this market environment shaping the investments that you are able to make?
So our investments are 10-year horizon, so we're thinking about broader technology shifts. And when we think about AI, Besik brought up Overjet, we're going from a period of system of records to systems of intelligence. So simply storing data is not enough. It's taking that data and automating some task. So we think broadly this will be very beneficial to bringing productivity to GDP growth over the next 5 to 10 years.
Besik, you have a unique role. You're the head of talent, and so I'm sure these technologies can help the talent that you have on board, the talent pipeline as well. Talk to me more about that.
Absolutely. Well, we actually use AI on the recruiting team. So we use a suite of very powerful AI tools for recruiting. And what Overjet does is we focus on bringing in some of the best computer scientists in the world, but then also really talented dentists. And earlier I talked about weaving in intelligence into these powerful tools that we're building. The people who are actually doing the weaving are a combination of engineers and dentists, and they work hand in hand at Overjet.
Solomon, what is the exit that you're looking for your investments, like Overjet, for instance? Are you looking to take these companies public? Are you looking for a buyout? What's on the radar?
When we look to invest in businesses, we're looking for companies that have platform potential and that can be standalone public companies. So when making an investment, that is the vision that we're driving towards.
And I want to stick with you because obviously the U.S. market is its own unique operation here, but international is a focus as well. How much do international companies make up your portfolio?
So a lot of our companies are based here in the U.S., but their clients are global. So I would say, we also do a lot of investments in India. We're the largest investor, or an investor in the largest payment platform, BillDesk, and a few others. But our center of gravity is here in the U.S., but these applications have global reach.
Besik, is there a way to quantify just how much more efficient and productive AI is making operations at your company, Overjet?
Absolutely. So we're increasing case acceptance. So patients who are able to see what their doctor is seeing when the doctor is making recommendations on what their treatment plan should be are more likely to say, yes, I understand why you're recommending what you're recommending. And so AI is a very powerful visual communication tool. In addition to that, we're also helping back office operations, the way that companies operate and administer by making those operations much more efficient. And so what we're doing is, in addition to providing much better patient care, which is what we're ultimately most focused on, we're actually reducing costs as well, and by a massive amount that differs for dental insurers versus dental practices.
Solomon, artificial intelligence obviously is a very popular and competitive space. And so for your portfolio companies, like an Overjet, for instance, how are you looking at the competition out there and making sure that there is a moat around these businesses?
One, I think it's quality of customers and quality of business model. We're looking for very strong cases of ROI. I think what we see in the AI field is there's a lot of exciting technology, but businesses haven't been formed as much around those. So with Overjet, companies like MetLife rely on them to accelerate a lot of their claims automation. Something that is a team of 200-300 people can get automated away by 90%. So that's what we're looking for in terms of what is the clear ROI that this AI business provides to its end customer. And that does a lot in terms of cutting out the noise in the investment landscape.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining. We are just awaiting the opening trade. We appreciate it. Solomon and Besik, wonderful to have you.
Thanks for having us.
You're welcome.